Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the basics while acting fast. Power both device and router. Note the SSID and whether the network uses WPA2, WPA3, or an open captive portal. This matters because security type changes how you authenticate. Once done, run a quick diagnostic or ping the gateway to see if you reach the router. If the device shows limited or no internet, make sure it has an IP address. DHCP failures are the most common reason for limited access. Next, you focus on addressing and service resolution because limited access usually means you can talk to the router but not the internet. Check the device's IP, gateway, subnet mask, and DNS entries if the IP is 169. 254. X. Release and renew the DHCP lease. To isolate, assign a static IP in the router subnet and test connectivity to the gateway and 8. If DNS fails while ping succeeds, the problem is name resolution, not routing. To finish, you apply fixes and confirm they're effective. Reboot the modem and router, then reboot the device and attempt reconnect. Captive portals may require reauthentication. If DHCP is flaky, reset DHCP pool or update router firmware because bugs can cause intermittent limited access. Once you restore full connectivity, test web browsing and DNS lookups. Troubleshooting tip: if the problem continues, temporarily disable MAC filtering or firewall rules and check your ISP status. Often the issue lies upstream rather than on your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.